Hi everybody, this is a little video on how to show you how to make sure that you're verified your email address and stuff. So when you log in, sometimes you end up on the home page, but sometimes you end up on the back, in the back office they call it. So if you're not in the back office, you want to click on your name and hit my account, and that takes you to this ugly weird back office thing. If it doesn't take you here immediately, or you end up on the back office and it doesn't show this, you just want to head up to my account here on the left hand side and hit account info. So in here, you're going to have your first, your last name, that kind of thing for your family. You want to make sure that this piece right here says verified. If it doesn't, there should be a button that you can click that says send verification. Same thing here with SMS. You want at least one phone number of somebody who can be reached to be verified here as well. So we don't send out a lot of SMS messages. Those are your text messages that you're receiving. We just send them out when like a practice is canceled. It's very last minute, something that happens within 15-20 minutes of a start time. So that's what we would do for an SMS. Otherwise, we're just going to send you emails. But if you're not verified, you're not getting emails from us and you'll miss important information. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks so much. Have a great day.